So, you want to achieve optimal health and wellness through nutrition? Well, you're in the right place. Let's talk about 7 ways to do this. Why? Because nutrition plays a crucial role in our overall well-being. By fueling our bodies with the right nutrients, we can enhance our physical and mental performance, improve our immune system, and prevent the onset of chronic diseases. First, let's talk about the importance of a balanced diet. A well-balanced diet includes a variety of whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. It ensures that your body receives all the essential nutrients it needs to function optimally. Next, it's essential to focus on portion control. Pay attention to the size of your servings and aim to eat mindfully. This will help you maintain a healthy weight and prevent overeating. Hydration is key to good health. Make sure to drink enough water throughout the day to keep your body properly hydrated. Water plays a vital role in digestion, circulation, and overall cell function. Additionally, we must address the importance of eliminating or reducing highly processed foods, sugary beverages, and excessive salt intake. These can lead to weight gain, poor heart health, and increased risk of diseases. Now, let's talk about the power of vitamins and minerals. Ensuring you get a sufficient amount of these nutrients helps support various bodily functions and boosts your immune system. Supplements can also play a role in achieving optimal health, but it's important to consult with a healthcare professional to determine which ones may be suitable for your individual needs. Lastly, remember that achieving optimal health and wellness through nutrition is a lifelong journey. It's important to make sustainable changes to your habits and maintain a positive mindset. By following these principles and adopting a mindful approach to nutrition, you can unlock your wellness potential and experience the many benefits of optimal health. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and information on living a healthy lifestyle. Remember, your health is in your hands. Start today and embark on a journey towards a happier, healthier you.